Hello everyone. In the last few classes we were dealing with an initial value problem. Initial value problem is like this. Y dash is equal to solve. Y dash is equal to f of xy where y of x naught is equal to y naught. This is first order linear differential equation. With initial values y of x naught is equal to y naught. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കാണുമ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു സ്റ്റാൻഡേർഡ് ഫോമിലോട്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ റീറൈറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് എഴുതണം. y dash is equal to f of xy അല്ലെങ്കിൽ dy by dx is equal to f of xy എന്നുള്ള ഫോമാറ്റിൽ എഴുതിയതിനു ശേഷം വേണം നമ്മൾ പ്രോബ്ലം ചെയ്യാൻ. We have considered two or more methods to solve this initial value problem called the Taylor series method, Euler's modified method, etc. In this class also we are considering another method called the second order Runge Kutta method. This method is a special case for modified Euler's method. Okay. Before going to the equations, let us see the notations. നമുക്കറിയാം what is x0, x1, x2, etc. These are the values taken by the variable x and they are equally spaced. Equally spaced എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ x1 നമുക്ക് x0 എന്ന് കിട്ടും what is x0 plus h and what is x2? x2 is x1 plus h. Always remember this, these are equally spaced. This രണ്ടിന്റെയും difference എന്തായിരിക്കും? h ആയിരിക്കും. Okay, corresponding to these values, we will get the y values. There are three equations in Runge Kutta method. First equation is k1 is equal to h into f of xi yi. And second equation is k2 is equal to h into f of xi plus 1. ഇവിടെ xi plus 1 ന് പകരം xi plus h എന്ന് വേണമെങ്കിലും എഴുതാം. Comma yi plus k1. Already നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച k1 വേണം ഇവിടെ സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട്. Then your solution will be equal to yi plus 1 will be equal to yi plus 1 by 2 into k1 plus k2. These are the three equations for the second order Runge Kutta method. And what is I? I നമുക്ക് 0 തൊട്ട് അങ്ങോട്ട് values എടുക്കാം. 0, 1, 2, etc. ആണ് എടുക്കുന്നത്. Okay. I hope you understand. ഇനി നമുക്കൊരു problem ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ how can we apply this formula എന്ന് നമുക്ക് മനസ്സിലാവും. Consider the problem. Use second order Runge Kutta method with h is equal to 0.1 to find y is equal to 0.2 given dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square is x square plus y square and y of 0 is equal to 0. അപ്പോൾ we will do the problem. Problem കിട്ടുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക? ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യുക. ഓരോ വാല്യൂസ് ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യുക. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈസ് ഓഫ് ദ ഫോം dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square. അപ്പോൾ f of xy എന്തായിരിക്കും? f of xy എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് x square plus y square. And the initial point is 0, x is 0, initial point is 0, therefore x naught is equal to 0. And what is y naught? Y naught is also 0. This is the initial condition, right? And what is given? H is equal to 0.1. We have to find y of 0.2. H 0.1 ആണെങ്കിൽ x naught 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ x1 എന്തായിരിക്കും? 0 plus 0.1 that is 0.1. What is x2? x2 is equal to 0.2. നമുക്ക് y of 0.2 ആണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. അപ്പം x2 up to point x2 ആണ് നമുക്ക് സോൾവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. Right? So first of all, identify the question. Question standard formula ആയിരിക്കണം dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square. ഇത് standard form ആണ്. Standard form എന്താണ്? What is the standard form of the question? Y dash is equal to f of xy. If the given question is not in the standard form, we have to convert that into standard form. This particular question is in the standard form. Okay, now we will move on to the formula. What is Runge Kutta method? K1, we have to evaluate K1, K2 and final answer is yi plus 1. And what is I? I takes the values from 0, 1, 2, etc. Right? So we will move on to the first step with I is equal to what? 0. The step 1. For step 1, take I is equal to 0. Right? When I is equal to 0, we have to evaluate what is it K1. What is K1? K1 is H into F of Xi Yi. That is F of X naught Y naught, which is equal to H is what is it? It is 0.1 and F of X naught. X naught is what? 0 and Y naught is 0. F of 0, 0. You have got f of xy. So it is 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0, that is 0.1 into 0, which is equal to 0. Now we have got K1. Now we are going to evaluate K2. What is K2? K2 is H into F of, what is it? Next one, I plus 1. F of xi plus 1. Here I is, what is it? 0. So here it is f of x1 comma y naught plus k1. Just substitute here. H is, what is it? 0.1. F of x1. What is x1? x1 is 0.1 comma, what is y naught? Y naught is 0 plus k1. What is k1 we have evaluated? It is also 0. That is, this is 0.1 into f of 0.1 comma 0. That is 0.1 into f of 0.10 is f of xy is what? X square plus y square. This is x is, what is it? 0.1 square plus 0 square, and your answer will be equal to 0.001. I hope you understand. Then we are evaluating y1. What is y1? Y1 will be equal to, see the formula, y1, yi plus 1 is equal to yi plus half into k1 plus k2. Here I is 0. So when substituting, y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 2 into k1 plus k2. So y1 is, what is it? Y0 plus 1 by 2 into k1 plus k2. I hope you understand. When substituting y0, it is 0 plus 1 by 2 into k1 is, what is 0 plus 0.001. And simplifying this, you will get this as 0.005. 0005. On simplifying, you will get this as 0.0005. Okay, now you have got y1. Y1 as, what is it? 0.0005. Now we will move on to the step 2. What is step 2? For step 2, it is I will be equal to 1. I is equal to 1. We will start with K1. What is K1? K1 will be is equal to H into F of Xi Yi. That is F of X1 comma Y1. Which is equal to H is, what is it? 0.1 and F of X1. X1 we have already calculated as, what is it? 0.1 and Y1 nammal calculate chedu, already calculate chedu. What is that? 0.0005. Okay, which is equal to 0.1 into f of xy is what? X square plus y square, right? That is into 0.1 square plus 0.0005 the whole square. On simplifying this, you will get 0.0001. 0.001. And the next step will be, what is it? You have to evaluate K2. K2 is equal to, what is it? H into F of xi plus 1. That is x2 comma yi. Yi here it is, what is? Y1 plus K1. Which is equal to H into H is, what is it? 0.1. F of x2 is, what is it? 0.2 comma What is it? Y1 plus K1. Y1 is already calculated. That is 0.0005 plus K1. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ calculate ചെയ്ത it is, what is it? 0.001, which is equal to zero point 0.1 into f of 0.2 comma 0.0015. F of xy is x square plus y square, that is 0.2 square plus 0.0015 the whole square. On simplifying, you will get this as 0.004. Now we have got 0.004, and what is y2? Y2 is, what is it? Y1 plus 1 by 2 into K1 plus K2. What is Y1? Y1 we have calculated as 0.0005 plus 1 by 2 into K1 is 0.001 plus 0.004. On simplifying, you will get this as 0.003. This is your final answer. It is y2. y2 ആണല്ലോ നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത്. y2 അല്ലേ വേണ്ടത്. It is y2. What you have to calculate? You have to calculate y of 0.2. y of 0.2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ x2 ന് corresponding ആയിട്ടുള്ളതാണ്. y of 0.2, that is you have to evaluate y2. I hope you understand. Now we have got the solution as y2 is equal to 0.003. I hope you understand. Thank you for listening.